Ababaka ba Palamenti ab'enjawulo mu lutuula lwa Palamenti olwaleero baasabye gavumenti ebaanukule ku lwaki enguudo ezatandikibwa okukolebwa ne gye buli kati zifuukidde ddala ganya n'okugibwako engalo.
The state of the Kampala-Jinja highway, it is filled with a lot of potholes, and where they've tried to do maintenance between Nakawa and Mukono, the works have taken so many years. I don't know how long it takes to do that section of the road, Madam Speaker.
All UNRA roads are in very bad state, specifically the road from UNRA roads, Katikam North County and Luweero District, the road from Kasiso to Mazi, the road from Kasiso to Chichusa, and the road from Kasana to Lugogo.
Bano nga kuliko n'omubaka Francis Zaake yagambye nti okuva e Busega paka e Mubende okuyita mu Mityana municipality gy'atwala lukulungudde wakiri emyaka egisaba mu 5 nga lulemeddwa okukomekkerezebwa.
Honorable Minister, the road of Mityana Kampala Road within Mityana municipality was begun in 2020. Up to date, they are still constructing that road. Yeah.
Kampala-Mityana
Mubende Road.
Mubende Road.
Mityana municipality. It is under construction from 2020 up to this time. We are wondering, when are you concluding that road, because it is too dusty and it is causing a lot of accidents.
Minisita by'entambula mu ggwanga Musa Echolu bano abategeezezza nti Ssabbiiti ejja waakuvaayo n'ekiwandiiko ekirambulukufu ku nguudo ezisinga obungi mu ggwanga ku lwaki zikandaliridde.
Said we have passed a bill for Jinja Expressway, Kampala Jinja Expressway, and it is true that a loan has been passed, but there seems to have been a challenge in finding resources for compensating perhaps the people who are supposed to be affected by this project. We must indicate that, so that Cabinet will pronounce itself on Monday, and after pronouncing itself on Monday, then I will come again to fill this Parliament in on what we have discussed and resolved. And I can assure you, comrades, the thinking that I saw yesterday is that Cabinet is going to make a decision and get resources that will fix these roads once and for all.
Wabula ate ye minisita w'emisindi mu ggwanga Matia Kasaija ayanukudde Zaake ku lw'Emityana nti emirimu ku luguudo luno lwali wajjamu kigoye weezinga wabula nga kaakati ensonga ezo zaakoleddwako.
That the road between Busega up to Mbende is a horrible road. No. I passed there every weekend. The contractor Enago project, we must admit there was a bit of a problem of advancing money to him. Now that problem is completed. So you will see in maybe about 3, 4, 5 months, those of you who use that road, you will see a difference.
Enguudo nyingi mu ggwanga batandikadde okuzizimba wabula ng'ezimu zimaze emyaka mingi nga teziggyibwako ngalo ekitabudde abatuuze n'abakulembeze mu ggwanga. Bright Edward Baguma, DreamTV wano ku Parliament.